All right, Jay. You remember that Donkey Kong game you just played?
Yeah.
This is the next gen version, Super Nintendo. Donkey Kong Country. Now these levels are a little bit more different. This is more of a platformer, kind of like a Mario game, side scroller to the goal, basically.
Which one?
Pick whatever, which one you want to pick.
One.
They're all gonna start at the very beginning.
One player.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this graphics is horrible.
Come on, dude. It's better than the last Donkey Kong game you played, right? No? You can't tell that difference.
What do I do?
Go to that level.
Okay. Okay, that's the jump.
Oh, almost. Want to get that barrel. That's your partner. Now, if you want to switch, I think you hit B. But you don't need to switch. Keep in mind you could jump on their heads.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. That's a checkpoint. So if you die, that's where you start.
What's this?
So if you spell Kong, you get a balloon, which is a 1-up. If you get 3 of those ostriches, you get a bonus level. Okay, you gotta jump on their head, not beneath them. Ooh, look what you got right there. Ride him. You can just run into people now. Jump.
I'm good at.
And Japer forgot the jump.
I didn't forget to jump. I didn't make a good jump.
Yeah.
Start rhinoceros thing. Hey, where's my teammate at? What was that?
It's that crow. He's throwing stuff. Oh, that was nice, dude. And you already got 2 ostriches. There you go. See, you can jump with them. There's a secret right here if you just plow through that. Oh, you found it.
Oops,
You found it.
I found it on an accident.
Can't forget that banana, huh, buddy?
Nope, don't forget that. I have no idea what that balloon was, but I just got it.
So you forgot the K somewhere back there.
Did I win?
What do you think, dude?
Uh,
What would you give this game if you're grading it?
out of 10, I would give it like a 8.5.
Really? That's a good score.
Yeah.
A lot of people would give it like a 9 or even a 10. It's a really good game.
It's better than the classic.
Is it? Yeah. Moving up from NES to Super Nintendo, the games get a little bit more easier, a little bit more like fair. I guess I should use that word. And you just died.
How did I die?
And the games look a little bit better, a little bit more smoother, right?